If you're over 60 and wake up every morning feeling more tired, low on energy, and have noticed that circulation in your intimate area has worsened, don't be too quick to blame your age, because the truth may surprise you more than you imagine. Many men your age are unknowingly depriving their bodies of the fuel they need every night. And changing this is as simple as taking a small spoonful of the right food before bed. I'm Dr. Jane Taylor, a urologist specializing in men's health with over 20 years of experience helping men regain vitality, energy, and the vital connection between body and mind they thought was lost forever. Today, I'm going to share one of the best-kept secrets in men's health. While everyone talks about breakfast, exercise, and supplements, the real magic happens while you sleep, when your body actively works to rebuild blood vessels, restore testosterone levels, and direct blood exactly where you need it most, as long as you provide the right fuel. In this video, I'll reveal 7 simple and delicious foods to eat before bed that have the power to improve your blood circulation, rebuild your muscles, and restore your vitality, even if you're already 70 or 80 years old. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a food that many call natural Viagra. Just 1 spoonful before bed can completely transform how you feel when you wake up tomorrow and in the days that follow. Before we dive into these powerful nighttime foods that can restore your circulation and confidence overnight, subscribe to the Male Secret 60+ channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the secrets that can help men over 60 regain their strength and control. Let's get started. First, you need to understand why blood circulation in the intimate area declines so rapidly after age 60, and why nighttime is precisely the best time to repair it. Let me tell you something your doctor probably never mentioned. Blood flow to your intimate area is not just related to sexual arousal, but is intrinsically linked to your overall health, your masculine identity, and your quality of life. When I started practicing, I met a patient named João, a 71-year-old retired worker, who sat in my office with tears in his eyes, saying he hadn't felt like a man for over a year. And he wasn't just talking about sexual function, but a deep disconnection with his own sense of self. As we age, nitric oxide levels in our bodies gradually decline. Nitric oxide is an essential molecule that helps relax and dilate blood vessels, allowing blood to flow freely throughout the body, especially to the areas that need it most. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones, rebuilds tissues, and rebalances your entire nervous system. But without the right building blocks, without the proper fuel, your body simply cannot perform its nightly repair work. Food 1. Tart cherry juice. The first food I want to share with you is tart cherry juice, that sweet and sour, ruby-colored drink that can quietly become one of the most powerful tools in your nighttime routine. I had a patient, Jose, a 69-year-old retired bus driver, who told me he was mentally present but physically felt like his body wasn't cooperating, especially in intimacy. What makes tart cherry juice unique is that it's one of the richest sources of natural melatonin. This hormone not only regulates deep, restful sleep, but is also rich in anthocyanins, natural compounds that fight inflammation and promote nitric oxide production. Jose started drinking a small glass about 30 minutes before bedtime. Within a few days, he fell asleep faster. Within a few weeks, he was waking up less during the night and noticed his morning erections were firmer, something he didn't expect but welcomed with joy. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Write your city or country in the comments so I can personally greet you in our next video. We love getting to know our community and knowing we're reaching men from all over the world seeking to reclaim their vitality. Food 2. Pumpkin seeds. The second food is pumpkin seeds, those tiny green seeds that seem insignificant, but, for men over 60, can have a tremendous impact on blood circulation, sleep, and recovery. Antonio, a 66-year-old retired engineer, came to see me because he was waking up 3 or 4 times a night to use the bathroom, feeling exhausted every morning. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which relaxes the muscles of blood vessels, promoting blood flow, and also contain zinc, an essential mineral for testosterone production and prostate health. The phytosterols in these seeds can help reduce prostate enlargement, improving urinary flow, and indirectly enhancing circulation in the intimate area. Antonio started taking 1 or 2 spoonfuls before bed. Within a few weeks, he cut his nighttime bathroom visits in half and felt more rested and receptive to intimate encounters. Food 3. Almond butter. The third food is almond butter, and I want you to consider this. Just 1 spoonful before bed can be more powerful than any pill. Luis, a 74-year-old widower who had started dating again, confessed to me, embarrassed, that everything was fine except his physical response. Almond butter is rich in magnesium to relax blood vessels, contains healthy fats that support hormone production, and most importantly, has arginine, an amino acid that your body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule is responsible for helping achieve and maintain blood flow where you need it most. Luis started taking a spoonful on a slice of whole grain bread before bed. 2 weeks later, he walked into my office smiling and said he felt 20 years younger. I want to ask you something important to create better content. What's your biggest challenge right now? Write 1 if it's a lack of energy and vitality in the mornings, or 2 if it's difficulty maintaining intimate function. Your response helps us understand which issues are most important to our community. Food 4. Soft-boiled or poached eggs. The fourth food is soft-boiled or poached eggs, a natural nitric oxide activator that most people overlook. Manuel, a 68-year-old retired teacher, was very skeptical when I told him that nighttime eggs could change how he felt as a man. The power of eggs lies not just in the protein, but in leucine, an amino acid that stimulates muscle growth and balances hormones, promoting nitric oxide release. They also contain vitamin D to support testosterone and vitamin B12 to enhance nerve signals, essential for sensitivity and arousal. Manuel added 2 soft-boiled eggs to his nightly routine. Within 10 days, his morning erections were firmer, and he was waking up less to use the bathroom during the night. Food 5. Greek yogurt. The fifth food is Greek yogurt, a dual source of protein for nighttime repair. Carlos, a 70-year-old former soccer coach, still had a powerful handshake, but admitted he felt like a shadow of the man he used to be. Greek yogurt contains 2 types of protein: whey, which digests quickly to kickstart repair, and casein, which digests slowly, fueling your muscles throughout the night. This dual action means your blood vessels and muscles receive constant nutrition during the deepest stages of sleep. Every night, Carlos prepared a bowl with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, cinnamon, and banana. Within 3 weeks, he woke up more rested, with more energy in the morning, and had regained a level of intimacy he hadn't felt in years. Food 6. Muscle rebuilding shake. The 6th and most powerful is my muscle rebuilding shake, a recipe I've recommended to hundreds of patients. The base is whey protein for rapid muscle repair, collagen peptides to support connective tissue and vascular health, and leucine, the amino acid that activates muscle-building pathways even in older men. Javier, 75, had lost significant muscle mass after surgery. He started drinking this shake with 1 scoop of protein, 1 scoop of collagen, 3 grams of leucine, mixed with unsweetened almond milk and cinnamon. Within a few weeks, his posture improved, his stamina returned, and so did his confidence. Food 7. Complete nighttime strategy. The missing nighttime strategy is what separates the men who see results from those who don't. Davey, 68, exercised, ate better, took supplements, but still felt stuck because he was ignoring that crucial window before sleep. Most people go to bed without eating anything or eat something random that spikes their blood sugar and disrupts hormones. Your body needs specific nutrients while you sleep to support circulation, repair muscles, and regulate hormones. When Davi added proper nighttime nutrition, within 2 weeks he was sleeping more soundly, and a month later he told me he finally felt like himself again. How long does it take to notice changes? Miguel, a 71-year-old retired postman, committed to this nighttime strategy. After just 7 nights, he reported deeper sleep and fewer awakenings. By day 14, his daytime energy had improved. He had natural, firm morning erections, something he thought was lost forever. By day 30, his stamina in intimacy had increased. He no longer rushed to the bathroom at night, and he felt physically stronger, both in muscle tone and emotional presence. The most important message I want to leave you with is this: you are not broken. No matter your age or what your last medical report says, you are not broken. You can rebuild. I've sat across from too many wonderful men who believe the lie that aging means decline. But I've also witnessed what happens when a man decides to stop giving in and starts giving his body what it needs. I've seen men in their 70s and 80s regain their vitality. I've seen marriages repaired, self-esteem restored. Your body hasn't stopped working. It's just been waiting for you to understand how powerfully it responds to the right care. Tonight, you can choose to continue with the same routine or take a simple action. Just a spoonful of the right food, a silent commitment to take care of yourself, and begin a new chapter. You don't have to do everything at once. Just start with a step that tells your body you're not done yet, that you still want to feel, connect, and live fully. If this video has inspired you, even a little, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button so YouTube's algorithm knows this content matters and helps us reach more men in need. Share it with a friend or brother who may be struggling in silence. You never know the impact it can have. I'd love to know which nighttime food you plan to try tonight. Leave it in the comments. I read everyone, and your story might inspire another man. Don't forget to subscribe to the Male Secret 60+ channel and hit the bell to receive notifications of our upcoming men's health videos. Thank you for watching this video and for choosing to take care of yourself. Remember, it's never too late to start feeling better. For the full presentation with detailed strategies and nighttime combinations, click the link pinned in the first comment or in the description. Start your nighttime revolution with Male Secret 60+ today.